Ever feel like the chaos of modern life is just too much? What if I told you that wisdom from over 2,000 years ago could help you take back control? Picture this, turning your anxiety into strength and your challenges into opportunities. Today, we're diving into 12 Stoic principles that can spark immediate transformation in your life. Let's see how these ancient teachings can empower you to navigate the complexities of our world today. Stoicism, a philosophy that originated in ancient Greece, has endured for a reason. It offers practical advice on how to lead a fulfilling life, even when everything feels uncertain and chaotic. The insights from great Stoics like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus equip us with tools to build resilience, clarity, and purpose. In this video, we'll break down 12 essential Stoic principles that you can start applying right away for a significant mental shift. Section 1. Focusing on what's in your control. Let's kick things off with the first principle. Focusing on what's in your control. Stoicism teaches us to channel our energy into our thoughts, actions, and responses, while letting go of what we can't influence, like other people's opinions or the outcomes of our efforts. Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Embracing this principle can help you cut down on anxiety and stress. Practical application. Today, pinpoint one thing that's stressing you out. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If it is, focus on it. If not, let it go. This simple shift can lighten your load significantly. Section 2. Embracing obstacles as opportunities. Next up, we have embracing obstacles as opportunities. This principle encourages us to see challenges not as setbacks but as chances for growth. Carl Jung once said, "What you resist persists." The Stoics believe that by facing our obstacles head-on, we can turn them into valuable lessons. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself that every challenge is an opportunity for personal development. Practical application. When you encounter a challenge, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this obstacle help me grow? Shift your perspective, and you'll find that obstacles can become stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Section 3. Living in the present moment. The third principle is all about living in the present moment. Many of us get caught up in regrets about the past or worries about the future. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of mindfulness and being fully present. Seneca warned us against the dangers of expectancy, reminding us that fretting about what's to come only robs us of our current joy. By anchoring ourselves in the present, we can truly experience life. Practical application. Try practicing mindfulness for just a few minutes each day. Focus on your breath, take in your surroundings, and let go of distractions. This practice will help you cultivate a clearer mind and a more fulfilling life. Section 4. Building self-discipline. The fourth principle is building self-discipline. Stoics recognize that self-control is crucial for personal growth. By mastering our impulses through small, consistent actions, we can create lasting change. Aristotle emphasized the importance of habit, and the Stoics echoed this sentiment. They believe that daily practice leads to transformation over time. Practical application. Pick one small habit to focus on this week, whether it's waking up earlier, exercising, or meditating. Commit to it daily, and watch how this small change can lead to significant improvements in your life. Section 5. Developing emotional resilience. Next, let's talk about developing emotional resilience. Stoicism teaches us to face our emotions with balance rather than suppression. Building an inner fortress allows us to remain steady amidst external turmoil. Marcus Aurelius spoke of finding the golden mean, a balance between extremes. By acknowledging our emotions without letting them control us, we can cultivate resilience. Practical application. When you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself, what am I feeling? Why am I feeling this way? Acknowledge your emotions, but don't let them dictate your actions. Section 6. Memento mori. Remember you will die. The sixth principle is memento mori, or remember you will die. This Stoic practice encourages us to contemplate our mortality, fostering a sense of urgency and gratitude for the present moment. Marcus Aurelius urged us to reflect on our mortality, to prioritize what truly matters in life. By embracing this reality, we can live more purposefully. Practical application. Take a few moments each day to reflect on your life and what you value most. Consider how you want to be remembered and what legacy you wish to leave behind. This reflection can inspire you to live with intention. Section 7. Practicing gratitude. The seventh principle is practicing gratitude. Stoicism teaches us to appreciate the simple joys in life, from a warm cup of coffee to a beautiful sunset. Research shows that gratitude rewires our brains for positivity, helping us embrace abundance rather than scarcity. By focusing on what we have, we can cultivate a more positive mindset. Practical application. Start a gratitude journal. Each evening, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice can shift your perspective and enhance your overall well-being. Section 8. Focusing on personal excellence. The 8th principle is focusing on personal excellence. Stoics believed in pursuing virtue, wisdom, courage, and integrity, regardless of the outcomes. By grounding our self-esteem in our values and efforts, rather than external validation, we can cultivate a more resilient sense of self-worth. Practical application. Identify one value that's important to you. Reflect on how you can embody this value in your daily life. Focus on the effort you put in, rather than the results. Section 9. Not caring what others think. The 9th principle is not caring what others think. Stoicism teaches us to base our worth on internal values rather than external opinions. Asking ourselves, whose life am I living, can help us embrace vulnerability and authenticity, leading to unshakable self-esteem. Practical application. This week, challenge yourself to do something that aligns with your values, even if it goes against the opinions of others. Embrace your authenticity and let go of the need for approval. Section 10. Accepting change. The 10th principle is accepting change. Life is fluid, and everything is in a constant state of flux. Stoicism teaches us to practice mindfulness and appreciate the present without clinging to it. Seneca noted that attachment often leads to suffering. By accepting change, we can navigate life's uncertainties with grace. Practical application. When faced with change, remind yourself that it's a natural part of life. Practice letting go of attachments and embrace the new possibilities that change can bring. Section 11. Practicing compassion and empathy. The 11th principle is practicing compassion and empathy. Stoicism encourages us to extend kindness and understanding to others, recognizing the complexities of life. By balancing self-focus with connection, we can build resilience and foster a sense of community. Practical application. Make a conscious effort to practice empathy this week. Reach out to someone who may be struggling and offer your support. This act of kindness not only helps others but also enriches your own life. Section 12. Reflecting and reviewing regularly. Finally, we arrive at the 12th principle, reflecting and reviewing regularly. Daily or weekly self-examination allows us to realign our actions with our values. Marcus Aurelius journaled in his meditations, using reflection as a tool for growth. By taking time to assess our thoughts and actions, we can continue to evolve. Practical application. Set aside time each week for reflection. Ask yourself, what went well? What could I improve? Use this insight to guide your actions moving forward. To recap, we've explored 12 Stoic principles that can lead to immediate life transformation, focusing on what's in your control, embracing obstacles as opportunities, living in the present moment, building self-discipline, developing emotional resilience, remembering your mortality, practicing gratitude, focusing on personal excellence, not caring what others think, accepting change, practicing compassion, and reflecting regularly. Each of these principles offers a pathway to a more fulfilling and resilient life. If you found value in these principles, please like this video and subscribe for more content on personal growth and philosophy. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What Stoic principle resonates with you the most? Share your experiences in the comments below. Incorporating these Stoic principles into your daily life can lead to profound transformation. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is ongoing, and every small step counts. Embrace the wisdom of the Stoics and take action today to create the life you desire. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.